How do you know Lynley?
I've known her since childhood.
How would you describe Lynley?
Creative, energetic, and with a lot of perseverance.
Have you worked with her professionally?
Yes, several times.
In what capacity?
She's sold 3 apartments for us and purchased 1 property for us.
And how did that go?
Excellent. We gave her very difficult parameters, and she hit them all.
Did she help you find your current house that you live in?
Yes, she helped us find the property, and then we built the house.
And where is the property?
It's on Hammock Drive.
And how do you like the house that you're living in?
I like it.
What's your favorite part?
My room and my table.
She actually helped us figure out that we were probably better off buying a property and building a house. We gave her some really hard parameters to work with, including price, and she figured it out. I'm not sure we could have gotten there necessarily without Lynley.